In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable third-party cookies for Shopify. This is important because many Shopify apps, integrations, and external services rely on third-party cookies to function properly. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Shopify website. Log in to your Shopify account using your email address and password. Once you're inside your Shopify admin dashboard, go to your account or browser settings depending on where the cookie restrictions are affecting your store. In most cases, third-party cookies are controlled directly through your web browser rather than Shopify itself. So open your browser settings and look for the Privacy and Security section. Now locate the Cookies and Site Data settings. Here you'll find options related to blocking or allowing cookies. Make sure the option to block third-party cookies is disabled or select Allow third-party cookies depending on your browser. After enabling the setting, restart your browser and return to your Shopify store to test the apps or integrations that were previously not working correctly. Allowing third-party cookies can help improve functionality for payment gateways, analytics tools, embedded apps, and customer tracking services connected to Shopify. It's also important to stay aware of privacy regulations and ensure your store uses proper cookie consent banners if required in your region. And that's it. You've successfully enabled third-party cookies for Shopify. Thanks for watching.